Welcome back to Inspirational Hub. Today I will tell you an amazing story. The Patel family lived a happy and contented life in a small town. Mr. Patel, the patriarch, was a respected figure in the community, working as a manager at a local factory. His wife, Mrs. Patel, was a homemaker, and their two children, Rowan and Aisha, were excellent students. However, one day, the factory downsized, and Mr. Patel lost his job. The family's financial situation began to deteriorate rapidly. They had to cut back on luxuries and eventually, even essentials. The children had to share clothes and books, and Mrs. Patel had to manage the household with a tight budget. Despite the challenges, the family came together to support each other. Rowan, the elder child, started doing odd jobs to contribute to the family income. Aisha, the younger sibling, helped her mother with household chores and cooking. Mrs. Patel took up sewing and started selling clothes to neighbors. Mr. Patel, determined to provide for his family, started looking for new job opportunities. He applied to several places but faced rejection after rejection. Feeling defeated, he began to lose hope. One day, Rowan suggested that his father start a small business. Utilizing his skills and experience, Mr. Patel was hesitant at first but eventually decided to take the plunge. With the support of his family, he started a small venture, selling homemade pickles and chutneys. The business slowly gained traction, and the family's fortunes began to change. The children continued to support their father, and Mrs. Patel's sewing business also started to flourish. The family's hard work and determination paid off, and they were able to regain their financial stability. As the family's situation improved, they realized that the challenges they faced had brought them closer together. They learned to appreciate the small things in life and value the time they spent together. The story showcases the resilience and strength of the Patel family as they face adversity and come out stronger on the other side. The family's unity and support for each other play a crucial role in their ability to overcome the challenges and rebuild their lives. Thanks for watching.